HDFC ERGO जनरल इंश्योरेंस, हर पल आपके साथ।
We have a natural order of the way of doing things, where we go, what we do, and we think that things are always in our control. But we must remember that there's always a possibility of something going off the plan, some accident in some way, which can happen without any intimation. It could happen when we are traveling. We could be going by car or by bus to our workplace to see somebody. We could be traveling by train. We could be on a plane. Anything can happen. This is how events happen without any intimation or any foreknowledge. And there could be a situation where there could be a natural disaster, there could be an earthquake, there could be a flood, there could be a rainstorm, and there could be, we have cases where trees fall on people after a lot of rains happen. So these are all situations which happen, which we read about, which we hear about on TV, which happen to somebody. That's how life is. So we have this possibility of an accident happening, and to cover that possibility, we also have something called personal accident insurance, which we can take. Now, a lot of people think that they're already covered, whether it could be via a life policy or a health insurance policy, but there is a specific product available for personal accident, which is giving us cover against these kind of eventualities. So it is an add-on product at a low price. We can take cover against something like this happens. There is a financial impact to the family which can be taken care of. Sometimes also in these accidents, it's not necessarily a loss of life which happens. One could be injured, and even that injury would not be typically covered by a normal life insurance policy, and that injury could be covered, however, via a personal accident policy. So these are the situations in which it can occur. It's a low cost policy which a person can take to ensure that the risk that they face of any of these kind of situations happening, in that eventuality, the family is protected from a financial perspective, or the person himself or herself is protected in case of an injury from a financial impact which could result from there. So it is essential that one looks at the entire range of risks which a person could be faced with, and then they should take insurance accordingly for all. If one has a car, one buys an insurance for a car. If one has a house, one buys insurance for a house. But if for life as well, there could be something happening, one buys life insurance. If something falls sick, there's health insurance. So what about accidents? And this is a product which fills in this need, and is also required to make your entire insurance portfolio complete and comprehensive and cover all the risks that one could face.
HDFC ERGO जनरल इंश्योरेंस, हर पल आपके साथ।